defender here. We actually should have put more people down by the castle.
Shoot him right there. He's right there by the yellow. I mean, the
slide.
Orange.
Oh, I'll get him.
Yeah! Fuck you! I did that with a shotgun!
Orange shotgun!
Yeah!
I can't find Daniel. Yeah, I'm...
Shoot.
Got him.
Got him? Okay, so I can come up.
Oh, okay, sorry, did not know that.
There's somebody behind him, right to the right of it, or left.
Can't see because of the freaking sun. Can't see anything because of the sun. Hey, watch down there.
Fuck. Sniper's no ammo in it.
Are you out, Wolfie? Wolfie got hit. Yeah, you guys have a medic. So you, Ramford and Wolfie are hit. Ramford, wait, that behind the yellow slide's already hit.
Oh.
I just got Wolfie. Hey, Steven, look out for Daniel. He's freaking amazing.